One night to be confused, one night to speed up truth. We had a promise made, for accent and away, both under influence. We had divine sense to know what to say. Mind is a race away. One night of magic rush, the start a simple touch. One night to push and scream, and then breathe. 10 days of perfect tears, the colors red and blue. We had a promise made. We were in.
Alright, so we are filming a dorm tour. This is gonna be the most awkward video ever. We're filming a dorm tour, so y'all can get inspiration. We go to NAU. Yeah, okay, I'm just over it. Okay, I'm just gonna show you. Like, intros are kind of stupid. Okay. Alright, so this is the door. And you open up. That's my roommate. And then this is kind of like the overview of our dorm. She's hanging a poster right now.
It's about bees.
It's about bees, yes. Overview of the dorm. We are in Gabaldon, so we have a suite, which is cool. This is one of the closets. We took the curtains that they originally had down and we replaced it with this. And we just bought like a little wad, and then it just like covers it up a little bit. And that's her side, so there's closets right when you come in. And then we have like a little living area. Just hide the box right. One of our food sections / tea section. We bought a bunch of mason jars when we got here. So this has our black tea, a peppermint tea. These are Tiana's 2 mugs. By the way, that's my roommate, Tiana. One of my roommates. That's another one. That's Elise. And then Annika is in the other room. And we are on the cross country team. Yay. Cool. Super exciting. We have her, okay, back to this. We have her coffee thing, and then we have like our utensils, a dish towel, measuring cups, because we make stuff here, our kettle. Down here we have some more essential oil stuff, and some Tupperware, and then a bunch of snacks down here, along with like chips, because we're obsessed with chips and salsa. What type of plant is this?
It's a snake plant.
A snake plant. Good for air. Then we have a sign right here. And then this is one of our collage walls. So super nice. We have a goat calendar. One of our NAU hats. This is a picture Tiana bought from Colorado. This is the book The Great Gatsby. And it has all the words, or like 80% of the words from the book. A Texas license plate, and then a Colorado license plate that Tiana found at a flea market. I'm making a YouTube video. This is a picture that I got, or my friend gave me. She goes to Alabama. Another picture. Some more vibes. This was a pain to put up. So thanks Tiana for doing that. The whole thing was a pain to put up.
Yeah.
Definitely this, because this fell in the middle of the night. We have a futon with some blankets and pillows. She made this pillow by putting a flannel over it, because fall vibes. This is a chest that we got from my grandfather that passed it down. And so we use it kind of as a coffee table. And we have all our lights and prayer flags going on here. Over here we have a bucket of food that we have to put away. Laundry basket, our purses. This is something my friend gave me for when I graduated, which was super nice. And towels. We share a bathroom with, like I said, 2 other roommates. This is our section in the bathroom. We got soap, some jewelry that my friend gave me. But it's just like our stuff. And that's me. So, and we have a bunch of quotes and stuff put on there. Super nice. Then we have like our beds. We have our IDs right there, hanging off. We have another mirror that we put here. A bunch of...
At the bins.
Oh, wait, you got those at the bins?
Mm-hmm.
And you rolled the bottom up? Okay,
Yeah.
we're gonna give you a bins try-on haul later, but this is a sneak peek.
Fucking Wrangler. Wrangler
Yes.
butts drive me nuts. I'm sorry.
Regular butts drive me nuts.
Oh
Sneak peek. This is a sneak peek to our
my
videos.
fuck. Oh my fuck.
Yes.
Shooketh.
But yeah, so this is something we have. This is a love letter that Tiana got. This is Drew Bosley's signature that he put. And yeah, this is just a mood board in every way. Then we have our fridge. This comes with the dorm. I got some motivational quotes. This is a SCOBY.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I pronounced it right. It makes kombucha with a bunch of other snacks. Then we have like our freezer right there, and then our fridge, which is very nice.
Very nice.
And then obviously like our underneath backpacks, and then we have our beds. And what we did is we put our desk and our dresser underneath to keep like more space. And all you have to do is just like pull this out. My desk is pushed back a little bit, but pull it out and you can just do your homework right there. But we typically just do our homework on the couch anyways. But yeah. So yeah, and then those are my mugs. Right here, we went to Indiana for a cross-country trip. And then like we live in...
Stretch it.
Huh?
Talking to
Oh. Indiana for a cross-country trip, and then we obviously live in Arizona, and then I'm from Austin. Salt layup again, some more fairy lights, or not fairy lights, but like bulb lights.
Yeah.
Books. A You Are a Badass thing. We can change that, and it's gonna be like Feed Fear a Suck It sandwich. The Alexa that doesn't really work in the dorms. We haven't figured it out. Those are Tiana's plants. Some more stuff up here. That's a picture frame that I have to put a picture in, but going on. And we have the bed. Of course, it's the Minecraft pig and vibes and backpacks. Can I show your bed, Tiana? I'm gonna show her bed anyways. And then we have our windows open, but we're filling this wall, we're working on this wall, but we got these posters, at a bookstore, and then Tiana made that, so we're filling this wall, it's slowly coming. This is Tiana's bed, with the same situation set up here. That's the poster that she just got, and yeah, that's pretty much the dorm. Right? Kind of said everything. Cool. Okay, get out of our room.